In this block, we will see the integration of image loading library Glide into your Android application. So now we need to add the dependency for the Glide here. So here we have added the implementation and annotation processor, and when you are trying out this tutorial, just make sure you are using the latest version to avoid any code level issues. So now let us get through the coding part. So here let us see the design part first. So I have considered a constraint layout here and three image views here. So in this tutorial we will be seeing how to load images with the three different variants. Like here we are loading an image, and here we are also loading an image, but we are also placing a placeholder here. And the third one is the GIF format image loading here. So now these are the three image views we have added, and I am using the sample images which are available in our Android project. So let us get through the coding part now. So now we have imported the glide library here, and with the help of synthetic binding I am using these three images view with the glide library here. So the link for the Kotlin synthetic binding is available in the description section, you may go through it. So here the first case we are loading an image using a URL here. So here we have considered a URL, and with the help of the glide we are loading it into this particular image view here. So, and the second one is with the help of a placeholder. So here we are loading the image, and you can see that I have not provided the complete URL here /200. I have removed it from the URL so that the image will not be loaded from the URL, so that the placeholder which we have provided will be loaded in place of the URL image. And here the third variant is a GIF format here. So it's a kind of animation which we load to our image view here. So now let us try to see the output once. So here you can see the first variant where we have loaded the image, and the second one where we have given the incorrect URL so that the image will not be loaded here and the placeholder is loaded, and the third one here you can see a GIF animation is loading up. So not only through the URL, you can also provide the local assets over here. For example, let us try to load the local thing here, or dot robble dot. So I am having the two images here. So let us try to use them, and let us try to run it. So here you can see our local image is also loaded here. So here this is an Android default image which we have used, and here if you try to use the URL perfectly, then so now here we have provided the complete URL in the second variant. So now let us try to see how the URL is loaded in the second case also, and here you are also having the additional options like center crop and into placeholder. This is what the image view which we have provided, and now you can see the output now. Here you can see first it was a green color background, and now the image is loaded on top of it. The green color background is nothing but the placeholder which is being loaded until the image is loaded from the URL. So in general, whenever you see any real-time social networking applications, till the image is being loaded, some sort of image will be appearing onto the image view, and after the real image is being loaded, then it will be replaced automatically. So this is the way if we use any image loading libraries, we can get these kinds of additional features and make your app attractive. And also for loading GIF animations, this is a better option for you. And here, as we have discussed, we are having several options here for cropping the image and for also setting the image sizes using the glide library. And this is the tutorial on the glide library, and the code for this tutorial is being available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries in the implementation of this library, or if you want to know any additional information which you can use with the help of glide library. You may let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you in the process of integrating it into your application. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting content on Android.